Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm right here in the Airbnb. I'm here at the conference for Seattle, the Merge Conference, big conference. Going to be speaking tomorrow at 9 p.m. I mean, not 9 p.m. 3 p.m. And there's going to be a lot of people there, so it should be pretty interesting. It's going to be day one tomorrow. Yeah, so, well, in this video right here, we're going to talk about how to do research on Redbubble. There's a few things that I have done to do research on Redbubble, and I actually have done research on Redbubble and made sales. So you got to understand this is a different platform. So I'm going to show you guys how I would go in there. It's a different platform, different audience. You know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys how I go in there and just kind of just think like a whole different mindset and just show you guys how I do research. And it's fairly simple. It's fairly simple. It gives you like pretty much a lot of information that you don't even think that you like. It's right in front of your face and you don't even know it. So that's pretty cool. So let's jump into the computer and get into it. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel now and hit the notification bell. So yeah. Alright guys, what's going on? So we're in the computer right here. As you guys can see, we're here at the basically the homepage of Redbubble. And like right off the back, as you looking right here, you get so many ideas. There's like different types of just different types of designs and stuff like that. They're pretty cool. There's like a boo design right here. Like, I don't know. There's a seal design right here. You know, dinosaur design, fox. There's a cloud riding a bike with the sun. Like different, like unique, different types of designs. And it's like, of course, it's a different audience. It's a different platform. There's actually, I know a few people that are actually doing well on Redbubble. So just something to think about. I have actually done a lot of research on Redbubble. I actually come over here and get some of my ideas from here. So what I would do was come over here, kind of just look at a design, and then actually send it to one of my designers, and they'll make a different design, different type of design, just kind of get inspiration from a design. And then I'll put it up on Amazon and actually make sales. There's actually about 4 to 5 designs that I have done so far. Research over here. I need to do a little bit more research, but I was testing it out and just wanted to see if it worked. And obviously it worked, and now they're making sales daily on Amazon. So that's pretty cool. So what I would do right away, this is a little trick that I've learned. You guys can actually see, scroll down, and you can see like different types of designs on here that are just kind of just get inspiration and get ideas. Like look at this one right here. This is pretty cool. This is like, that's pretty awesome right there. There's a brain that's, I don't know, sure, walking, I guess. Look at this one. This one's bad. This is pretty cool. A teddy bear. This is just amazing right there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's like so much stuff that you can get inspiration from on here. That's like, I don't know. It's pretty cool. So what I would do over here, I will come over here. I will click on the women's category. You can see has all the different types of, like, there's greeting cards, wallpaper, home decor, stationery, bags, gifts, device cases, stickers. I sell a lot of stickers, and then of course t-shirts. And what I would come over here, just click on the t-shirt part. It's going to drop down that little tab. Now, right here, it's going to give you just like a list of t-shirts right here, right? And on the side right here, the product types and all that stuff, and different types of styles. So that's pretty cool. Now there's a little tab right here. It says most relevant right here. You click right here, and you can actually come over here. Now this right here, it's going to tell you. So like I said, when you're doing research, it's going to give you all the hints and all the information right there. There's most relevant. There's trending. So it's going to show you the most trending designs. And as you can see, like it shows like these actual designs have actually been making sales. So you know what I mean? That's a big hint right there for you. Like, I mean, you know what I mean? They give you so much information just by clicking on a certain thing. Let's say the top selling, and it's going to tell you the top selling designs. It's going to show you the top selling designs, and you can actually come in here, because usually if this seller selling like this design, they actually kind of, like, let's say if they're selling this fox design right here, you come on here and click in here. It'll pop up. Let's let it pop up real fast. And you can come over here and just like check out the. Now, do not copy this person. Do not copy this person's actual design pixel for pixel. I hate when people do that. If this is your shop, I'm sorry, but you have a really good. It's really good design that's selling, and you can see kind of come in here and see what other items that they have that are, and just kind of just take a look at this person's actual, like, it's like their store, I guess you want to say. and you can go from there. And you can do the same thing with the men's t-shirts. Come over here, click on the men's t-shirts, and you just do the same. Let's go do top selling. Yeah, it's gonna pop up and it's gonna show these two as well. So you kind of get the idea. And look at this, showing different designs. Kind of get the idea. And you, of course, you just want to be careful for any, you don't want to be copying anybody's design pixel for pixel. You want to kind of get some inspiration and kind of see, kind of give you an idea. That's like most of my designs. I kind of come over here and get some inspiration from somebody, and then I get ideas and I start throwing them towards my designers so they can actually come up with like different ideas. So pretty cool. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any more questions about any Redbubble videos that you guys want me to do, or any ideas for any videos, let me know. And yeah, like I said, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, like and subscribe. Thank you.